Hi everybody, my name is Michael Stegner. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play something in the right hand and something completely different in the left hand at the same time. We're going to learn how to both play and read this. As piano players, we're often asked to do this in many different styles. So for example, if we take something that we did in the last batch of pieces in the last lesson, the melody of one of the songs was this. And the other song, one of the other songs was this. And now we're going to combine those and play them at the same time, so we have this. So in piano music we do this all the time, whether it's something like a classical style or maybe more of a jazzy style. So we'll learn how to do this today in its most basic form so you can build from there. And again, we'll learn to both play and read those parts at the same time. I hope you have some fun with this, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to play the right hand. Now listen to the bottom hand. Your top hand's playing high five, and your bottom hand's playing wait then go. And together, they sound like this. Okay, so you already have the elements, you have the individual parts all solid. I usually would practice it really slow, like. You just want to give yourself enough time to see what notes are over top of each other, what notes are on their own, like if the top hand plays by itself, the bottom hand might be resting like it happens in this song. And you just want to go nice and slow to make sure everything's happening when it's supposed to happen. I really think the best way to master these 4 pieces is just to stay on the slow practice track for a few days probably. And as soon as it starts to feel easy, then you go to the medium and it will probably be way easier than the slow version. Once you get it slow, it'll be easy to go to the medium, fast, and pro version. Just for fun, let's take a look at Oompa on page 14. And let's see, let's just play through this and see if you can figure out which 2 pieces from the previous batch that this one combines. So try and play it with me. And we're on page 14, and it's called Oompa. So ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, nice and slow. In a few days of practice, it'll start to make sense, and these pieces will get really fun because when you get it to the pro version, you're going to just be. Maybe not that part, that's in a later book. Practice working together, cool cats, Oompa, and step and dance. Practice with the slow practice tracks until each song feels easy to you. Work your way up to the pro practice tracks. Practice hands separately if it's hard to coordinate at the beginning. For bonus, be able to play each song along with a different song's practice track. For example, play Working Together while listening to the practice track of Oompa. All the songs can be played at the same time. Please remember to like and subscribe.